Legislative Assembly elections were held in Uttarakhand on 14 February 2022 to elect 70 members of the Uttarakhand Legislative Assembly. The votes will be counted, and the results will be declared on 10 March 2022. The tenure of Uttarakhand Legislative Assembly is scheduled to end on 23 March 2022. The previous assembly elections were held in February 2017. After the election, Bharatiya Janata Party formed the state government, with Trivendra Singh Rawat becoming chief minister. Amidst the internal turmoil in the BJP Uttarakhand unit and the mounting pressure of BJP MLAs against himself, Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat resigned on 9 March 2021. Tirath Singh Rawat was sworn in as the new chief minister of the state on 10 March 2021. On 2 July 2021, Tirath Singh Rawat resigned from the chief minister's post to avoid constitutional crisis in the state. On 3 July 2021, Pushkar Singh Dhami was sworn in as the 10th chief minister of Uttarakhand, assuming office on 4 July 2021. In January 2021, Arvind Kejriwal announced that Aam Aadmi Party would be contesting in 6 state elections in 2022 including Uttarakhand. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.